So today I'm gonna try to press some DTF sheets that I ordered from off of Etsy onto this bag and a black bag that's just like it for a customer. I could have done it without ordering the DTF sheets, but I don't like putting stuff on colored polyester or whatever that is, and that's what it felt like to me. So I won't try these DTF sheets for the first time. It's 2 sets of them, and they was like $5 for 8 prints all together. So 4 of these and 40 other ones, you'll see. So here I go. So the first thing I'm doing is pre-pressing it for 15 seconds to get all the moisture out of the item. And I got these instructions from the London, Crafting with the London YouTube, so hopefully they work. And I gotta let it cool down. It's time to go. I really hope I don't mess this up because I can't replace it. As a matter of fact, where's my tape? I'm gonna tape this down, and I almost put it on backwards. There we go. Make sure I don't get that button because I don't know if it's plastic or not. I have a lot of pressure for this. Right after that, you're supposed to 15 extra seconds on the Teflon sheet. All right, there you go. And I think the DTF guys that came up. Now this one's black and pink, and it's pretty much gonna be the same thing. It's a 15-second pre-press. Heavy pressure. Might be the most heavily pressured thing I ever pressed. And this is that sheet. So the inside of this, it's kind of shimmery. But I'm gonna do this one at 325 for 45 seconds because I ended up doing the other one for 45 seconds. And I didn't use any parchment in the end. I attempted with the parchment for 15 seconds and it just didn't work. So off camera, I just did it for 45 seconds with no parchment. Okay. So I'm gonna let that cool down. All right, here go the peel. All right. So another 15 seconds under the Teflon. Alright, there's shoes. Happened with Vega. It's a radio show in Northern Virginia. You should check it out. And that's all. Yes, I can do it. I give it a 6 out of 10. So, yeah.